Welcome to IELTS Academy 9. I'm Yossr, and in this video I'll show you how important synonyms are in the IELTS reading section, and that knowing many synonyms for one word helps you to find the correct answer in a short time. And I'm going to show you this through some questions from real tests. So now let's get started. The first question is true, false, or not given. And the first thing we do is that we read the question and then we try to scan the text. Scanning means spotting the important words, and today we are going to spot synonyms. If you don't know how to scan, please watch my video Skimming and Scanning, and I leave you the link in the description box. So let's read the question first. We have few evidence to support the idea that scent attracts pollinators. The text is in the red box. Everyone is familiar with scented flowers, and many people have heard that floral odors help the plant attract pollinators. This common notion is mostly correct, but it's surprising how little scientific proof of it exists. As you can see here in the question, we have the word few, which is used as little in the text. Also, evidence is used as proof. The word idea means notion, and scent is others. So if you read again, you will find that this sentence is true. We have few evidence to support the idea that scent attracts pollinators. Next. Bingham understood the significance of Machu Picchu as he saw it. Now let's read the text. At this stage, Bingham did not realize the extent or the importance of the site, nor did he realize what use he could make of the discovery. In the question, we have the verb understood. Its synonym in the passage is realize. The word significance means importance. Machu Picchu is a place, so it's the site. So let's read the question again. Bingham understood the significance of Machu Picchu as he saw it. In the text we have didn't realize, which means didn't understand, so the sentence is false. The third question here. Background music may anticipate a development in a film. The text. In addition, background music often foreshadows a change in mood. For example, dissonant music may be used in a film to indicate an approaching but not yet visible menace or disaster. The verb anticipate means to expect something to happen in the future, and its synonym is foreshadows. And here is the prefix for, F-O-R-E, which means before. Also, the word development is another word for a change. So if we read the question again, background music may anticipate a development in a film, and the text background music often foreshadows a change in mood, so this sentence is true. The last question here is a sentence completion. Students can alter an essay so the blank cannot detect changes. The text. But Melbourne's academics believe it's possible for students to rephrase and restructure material to beat this type of system. In the question we have the verb can, means possible, so the synonym is possible in the text. Alter means to change, and here in the text we have rephrase and restructure means to do some changes. Essay is another word for material, the material that students study. So if we read the question again, students can alter an essay so the space cannot detect changes. In the text, students rephrase and restructure material to beat this type of system. So the system here cannot detect changes. And that's all for this video, and I think that by now you understand how synonyms are used in the reading section. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to watch all my new videos.